What is up, guys? Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial for After Effects. Today we're learning how to make charts inside of After Effects using a very cool tool called GridMaker from Filmit.io. So you can totally try GridMaker for free. Just head over to Filmit.io. There's a link in the description and the pinned comment. You just get it in the studio. Create an account, download Filmit Studio, install GridMaker. This is Filmit Studio. It's a desktop application that has all of their effects, all their plugin library, everything from Filmit.io. And when you try GridMaker, you actually get access to everything. This is all a giant bundle. Try GridMaker, try all their plugins, all their effects, have a blast. There's After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, a Filmit Effects library, and a Filmit Transition library of like GPU enhanced effects that are pretty cool and a lot of fun to use. And from what I hear, a lot more on the way. So we're back in After Effects. We've installed GridMaker. To open GridMaker, all you do is go to Window, Extensions, and then GridMaker, and you're good to go. GridMaker opens up on the right here as this normal GridMaker window. It is a gridding application for gridding footage inside of After Effects. But we have Advanced Mode open. To open Advanced Mode, all you do is click Advanced Mode. Boom, opens this. Have a bunch of different tabs up here. And on the left, as always, this is where you control what's happening on screen. There's a bunch of different types of grids: flat, 3D spatial, path, tessellate, charts, which we're doing today, fracture grids, pack grids, jigsaw puzzle grids, text fill grids, and camera grids, which are pretty cool. So today we're doing charts. And at its heart, on the left, you pick what kind of chart you want, and then you hit Create New Comp. And just like that, inside of After Effects, this has been rendered in. It is pre-composed composition for a chart. This is what we want, right? Cool. If this is what you were happy with, you could be done. It's that easy. But we don't want this. We want to put images in these little pies so we can have a cool little breakup or something. So let's do that. Using another tool called Sourcer from the Filmit team, this connects you to free royalty stock images, so you don't actually have to leave After Effects or Premiere Pro or DaVinci to put in images and free videos into your timeline. So there was 6 pieces of that pie. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back to GridMaker. Here we go. Here we go. Here's our pie chart. We want to click Select Layers, apply selected top 6 layers of the grid. It's actually selecting the layers behind this in our current timeline. We click Apply to Selection. Really quick, it builds the grid. As you can see, there is our pie chart with our pictures. Pretty cool. Works really easily. This null is a GridMaker control layer. You open this up. Effects control, it gives you a couple options to change things like this, the gap and the corner slider and stuff that would make sense on a control. So there's always post control on this stuff. Now, what if we didn't want 6 images? We wanted this to be broken up into 1 image. That's fine. Just turn on single image inside of GridMaker. Select your layer. It's selecting all of them. So let's make sure we just select 1, just like so, and then hit apply to selection. Now there's going to be, the other pictures behind it, but this is it. There is our little gridded out photo, perfectly built to be gridded up. So that's charts inside of GridMaker. Now, I'm using a circle chart, but really quickly, we can actually look at all the different charts. There's a donut chart, a bar chart that you can completely control by just clicking it and just changing it. I don't want to make this one like this, like this. I want to change like this, the side scales of all these. It's all equal because it's a bar chart, and that would be your chart, and it could be gridded out. We can do a stacked grid with different little boxes, a funnel grid. Let's equalize these back to normal. A sunburst grid, there's a line grid, a radial bar, and a fan. So have fun with those. And if there's grids that aren't already created, just leave some feedback to the Filmit.io team, and they will update this tool and add what is missing for you. That is one really great thing about the Filmit.io tool. That is one really great thing about the Filmit.io team. They respond very quickly, and they provide updates to their tools very fast, and it's very customer driven. That's the whole point here. And that is how to do charts with GridMaker. It's really cool, a lot of fun, and try the tool today. You can find it down in the description or the pinned comment. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.